In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Semrush. Whether you're diving into digital marketing as a beginner or looking to enhance your existing skills, setting up a Semrush account is your first step in accessing a powerful suite of tools. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you're guided every step of the way. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to the Semrush homepage. From here, finding the sign up option is pretty straightforward. You'll want to look for the sign up button, typically located at the top right corner of the web page. The Semrush site is designed with ease of use in mind, making navigation simple for users at all levels. Once you've clicked on sign up, you'll be directed to a page to create your account. If you're like many users who prefer quick access using existing credentials, clicking continue with Google is an efficient option. By using Google, you'll save some time on filling out personal details and ensure your account connection is instant and secure. Next up, you'll encounter some initial setup questions. These help Semrush tailor its platform features to better suit your needs. If you're new to this realm and unsure of your specific requirements just yet, that's perfectly okay. Feel free to select "Not sure yet" when prompted. This will skip you past some initial questions without locking you into options you're uncertain about. As you continue, you'll come across other prompts designed to further customize your account experience. For now, you can continue without committing to these details by clicking continue when necessary. These steps are designed to optimize your user experience, but are not mandatory to complete your sign-up process. You'll then be asked about the scale of your business involvement. If you're operating on a solo basis, simply click on "It's only me." Following this, clarify additional information about your business environment, such as the number of employees, an essential detail for Semrush's analytics structure. Again, if you're uncertain, it's fine to skip the specifics for now. As the setup progresses, another set of questions might inquire about your marketing focuses. At this stage, choosing "not sure" is a valid option if you're not yet fully acquainted with your marketing priorities. Your selections here can later be updated as you grow familiar with what Semrush offers. Finally, after navigating the initial setup advisories, you might be prompted to start a free trial. If you're not ready to dive into a commitment just yet, choosing to skip trial is entirely appropriate. And that's it. You've now successfully created an account on Semrush. From here, you can explore the wide array of tools available, equipping you to make more informed, data-driven decisions. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring your new marketing toolkit.